So guys, on this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Instagram account. So it's very simple. Just follow my footstep. The first thing you have to do, click on your Instagram profile. So once you click on, it's going to bring you to this page. Click on this three dot icon at the right hand corner. So once you click on it, click on the part where it said account center. So once you click on account center, it's going to pop up this page here. What you have to do, click on the part where it said personal details. So once I click on personal details, it's going to pop this up here. What you have to do, you need to click on the part where it said account ownership and control. I'll click on that and it's going to bring you here. You are going to see deactivation or deletion. So what you have to do is to click on that and it's going to open up this page that you can see on the screen. So what you have to do here is to select the Instagram page that you want to delete. So the one we have to delete is this football score. So I'll click on that and it's going to bring us to this page here. So what we have to do now from here is to select which part we want to use. There is the one that is called deactivate account, which means you have the possibility of recovering this your account. And they have the part where it says delete account. This part, you will not be able to recover your account once it's 30 days. But within 30 days, you have the option of being able to recover this your account. But after 30 days, this your account will be deleted permanently and you will not be able to recover your own account. So once you choose the one you want, you just need to click on continue and enter your password and click on confirm and your account will be permanently deleted. So that is how you can delete your Instagram account on Instagram. So if you enjoyed this video, only what I will ask from you is to just leave me a like, share this video, and let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. I will say thank you very much, guys, and I will see you on my next upcoming video.